Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today we will discuss qualitative characteristics of accounting information. So, this is a topic of chapter 1 of accountancy from class 11th textbook T.S. Gravel. I told you that I'm following this textbook only. So, today we will be doing this topic, what are the qualitative characteristics of accounting information. So let's get started. So as I have already told you in my previous videos that in accounting, in accounts we record everything as and when it happens. We record transactions and events of financial character. That means only the transactions and events which can be quantified are recorded. And we did a limitation of accounting also, that that accounting ignores the qualitative elements, right? But still there are some qualitative characteristics which are there in the accounting information. For example, you get your report cards at school, right? So in your report cards, the major thing is that you are given your marks. So that is a quantitative information, right? But marks is not the only thing that you are provided with on your report card. If you have seen your report card carefully, there are some things which make your report card, uh, you know, which make your report card a valid one, basically, right? At the top, there is a proper school name with the address and the other information about the school, right? Then at the bottom of your report card, there are signatures of various authorities: signature of the principal or the headmaster or headmistress of your school, and a signature of your class teacher, right? So all these signatures are also put in your report card. Have you ever wondered why? Just to make your report card a valid one. If the school just, takes up a piece of paper, writes down your marks, and gives you, you won't believe, na, कि it is actually your report card and that it is a proper, valid report card, right? So there are some qualitative characteristics also which are an essential or integral part of the accounting information, of the financial statements which are prepared, right? So what are those qualitative characteristics? So we have to discuss this in today's video. First is reliability. Basically the information should be reliable. You should rely upon that information, right? So whatever information is presented, that should be reliable, means it should be verifiable. We can easily verify the information. Then basically that the information is free from any kind of bias or error. There no bias was there when your report card has been prepared, right? In your school, only whatever you have scored in your examination, that marks are given. So that is an information which is free from any kind of bias or material error. So similarly, accounting information should be neutral. There should be no bias, and it can be verified. जैसे कि आपकी रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स वेरीफाई हो सकती है ना आपकी आंसर शीट्स देख के. Similarly, accounting information should also be reliable. So we have done one qualitative characteristic, that is reliability, which means that account information should be verifiable and free from bias, and it should be basically neutral in nature. Now, second important qualitative characteristic of accounting information is relevance. Relevance means being relevant. So whatever information is needed, only that information you have to provide, and you do not have to provide any अननेसेसरी इंफॉर्मेशन जो चाहिए ही ना हो. फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी रिपोर्ट कार्ड पे अगर आपकी जो है एक्स्ट्रा कोई आपके मार्क्स के अलावा कोई और आपकी से पेरेंट्स की इनकम लिखे या फिर कुछ और चीज़ लिखने लग जाए, इससे वी आर राइटिंग व्हाट ऑल यू वॉच ऑन योर टेलीविजन, राइट, या फिर कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा हम लिखे तो वो रेलिवेंट नहीं है, राइट. तो वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड only the information which is relevant, means whatever information is needed. And first thing is that we have to provide only the needed information. Secondly, we have to provide the information within the needed time. अगर जो है एक साल का फॉर एग्जांपल 2008 में एक एंटरप्राइज ने कितना प्रॉफिट अर्न किया, अगर उसको हम जो है 2000 से 1905 में एक एंटरप्राइज ने जितना प्रॉफिट अर्न किया उसको अगर हम अभी 2020 में देखें, सो दैट वोंट बी रेलिवेंट. सो द नीडेड इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड within the needed time frame. Okay, I hope this point of relevance is clear. Moving ahead to the next qualitative characteristic, that is understability. Understability means that your information should be understable, that the users to whom you're communicating the information, they should understand your information, right. Basically, you should present in such a format that the one to whom you are presenting is able to make out what actually you want him or her to understand, right. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल टेक इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम योर रिपोर्ट कार्ड. अगर आपकी एक ही रिपोर्ट कार्ड पे कहीं पे जो है आपके टर्म 1 के मार्क्स दे दे, कहीं पे आपके टर्म 2 के मार्क्स दे दे, सब्जेक्ट के सब एक साथ ही लिखे हुए हो विदाउट एनी प्रॉपर, वो आपको पता है आपने देखा होगा कि इन योर रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स प्रॉपर टैब्यूलर फॉर्म्स में लिखा होता है, एंड टर्म 1 टर्म 2 देयर इज अ सेपरेटिंग लाइन इन बिटवीन डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स. Properly, it is a proper way of presenting so that you are able to understand the information. So similarly, information should be provided through the financial statements. हमने पढ़े financial statements क्या होती हैं? Balance sheet, profit and loss account, which shows the financial position and financial result respectively. This we have discussed many times in the previous videos. Please आप मेरी सारी videos को देखें, presented in such a manner that users are able to understand it. Coming to the last qualitative characteristic, that is comparability. As the name indicates, the information which you have provided should be comparable. Basically, the user is able to compare. अब comparison करना. I will take an example that जो आपके स्कूल में इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं, राइट. इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन्स basically आपका school is competing with some other school, right. So that is inter school competition, competing with some other school, right. And आपके स्कूल के अंदर भी तो जो है क्लासेस में डिफरेंट सेक्शंस में कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते होंगे, या डिफरेंट हाउसेस होते हैं स्कूल्स में, राइट. उन हाउसेस में कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते होंगे. सो दिस दैट इज इंट्रा स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन. तो सिमिलरली बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट में, बिजनेस सिनेरियो के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम देखें तो जो फिनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन है दैट शुड बी comparable. User should be able to compare the accounting information of an enterprise of a period with that of other periods as well as with other enterprises, right. तो एक साल का प्रॉफिट लॉस दूसरे साल के प्रॉफिट लॉस से भी कंपेयर हो जाए, राइट. सो एंड हमारी अपनी कंपनी का प्रॉफिट लॉस किसी दूसरी कंपनी के प्रॉफिट लॉस से भी हम कंपेयर कर सके. सो विद अदर एंटरप्राइजेज जो है, दिस इज इंटर, राइट. एंड अपनी ही एंटरप्राइज में जो है एक पीरियड का दूसरे पीरियड से देख रहे हैं, या फिर जो अपनी ही अपने बिजनेस के अंदर ही, अपनी एंटरप्राइज के अंदर ही जो हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं, दिस इज इंट्रा, राइट. सो आई होप ये पॉइंट आपको क्लियर होगा. सो वी आर डन विद द qualitative characteristics of accounting information. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर माई वीडियो एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, ताकि जो भी मैं वीडियोज़ डालूँ आपको उसकी नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहे एंड यू डू नॉट मिस ऑन एनी वन any video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.